This will be the elevator at Dillards at the Great Lakes Mall in Mentor, Ohio. It's been up. Last time I filmed this elevator was February of 2018. So let's get an update on this Westinghouse elevator. 2,500 pound capacity. Indicator's still screwed up. Back down to 1. Door close button does not work. There's your 98 I found. Let's get Cabby all the way back down. Very nice elevator. Interesting how it has a single slide door. Westinghouse RT fixtures. This is not original to the building. This was added on in the late 80s. And back up on the second floor. Door close button does not work. And here we go. And we will end up here.